What is up, boys? CryptoLimo back with another daily Bitcoin, ETH, and altcoin analysis video. And if you'd like to take our calls, you can join our Discord server. It will be the first link in the description below. And let's just head into the most important daily Bitcoin update and analysis. So, what is Bitcoin doing? We'll observe on the 4-hourly because we've been doing this daily. So yeah, essentially went up, formed this and got rejected from this resistance zone and is going down and touching this. Now this is a very important position line according to BTC, because it is the major trend line that is holding on the 4-hourly. Now what kind of trade would I recommend for people around this zone? It would be very simple in a very short video where I just explain what trade you could take. I would suggest a long position right around about here at current market price. I would suggest an SL below, this line around here. An SL below 65,000 would be my stop loss, and the TP would be in this upper range. This is a solid 6.5 hour trade that you could take right now. I recommend taking this trade because the SL is very narrow, and I think you'd get away with this trade as well. Yeah, so that is my proposed long scenario for BTC right now. It should pump from here realistically if that does happen. For that we need some additional confidence for our trade. USDT is not looking good, but I sincerely hope it is bullish. You shouldn't take a long trade right now, but it's just kind of a hunch. I expect it to do something like this and then goes down like this, which is still bullish for USDT, but in the short term it could become a bit bearish depending upon our scenario. If you look at the liquidation heat maps, yeah, liquidation heat maps are right on point in my analysis. There's liquidity at 67,500 and 68,000. So if that does happen, liquidity at 67,500 would be around here, which would be already 2 hour of a position, and 68,000 would be around here. So yeah, if it gets into this band again, I'm pretty sure this resistance is going to break this region of resistance. If it does break, it will go up to this region, and that will be our second TP. So those will be our two TPs for this region of BTC. Now let's look at our favorite ETH. ETH did not fill us yet, so it is trying to reclaim this trend line. If it does end up reclaiming this trend line, I would definitely consider long ETH as well. ETH long is definitely one of my favorite priorities right now. Where what happens with ETH is if it goes something like this and retests this trend line around here and then goes up, this is going to be our entry point for ETH, and that is going to be how we are going to long ETH in this scenario. I wouldn't recommend anything else on ETH. It is a very risky coin as of the moment because we're not sure of what the market is headed towards. I would recommend that once you have a solid directional bias towards the market. Yeah, fib is on the support, exactly on the support. That is why I'm telling you all to long at the price ranges that are given. BTC dominance is going down. Yeah, as I said, this was a resistance, so it was supposed to go down. So yeah, hopefully it does keep going down. That would be pretty good for us in that scenario as well. Oh yeah, this is the trend line that I drew for BTC cap dominance in our previous video. I think this is being tested as of now. This is a very important zone as well. If this zone does break on the BTC market cap dominance, this entire zone, if it does end up breaking, I expect there will be a lot of alts that are going to pump, and there's going to be a pumping in the market as a whole. There will be a big pump in the market. So if you all want to take my trades, you know the rule. Get out here, verify yourself, join the Discord server, and move towards access to trades, where there's two links. One for BingeX, which is you can trade Forex on and everything else, and one is for VX. For VX, you can sign up with this link right here and enter the code 0SCIP, and you can open a support ticket and then tell me that what is your ID which you signed up with, and trade on it and generate some revenue for the company. And yeah, you'll be given free trades. I give out trades. I'm going to give the trade right now so you all can see, whoever's joined this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.